He don't cast. Last. Now every
Milk music.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a car.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a frontal wig retouch. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. I'm going to use my cleanser and use a cotton ball and some water and start to clean around where the parts are lifting so the glue can stick. Now I'm going to comb all the hair going to the back. Push the hairs going to the back with your clips and start to blow dry it. I'm using braiding gel to slick back my natural baby hairs out of the way because you don't want any glue on your edges. Ever could J hold me down lace glue? When you're applying the glue, make sure you do 3 thin layers and make sure the layers are clear before you add another one.
If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need people and shy yo, I need people and shy yo, I need people and shy yo.
The glue is now clear. Now you want to lay it down. Take your time and do this and push the lace into your skin.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back to you. I'm hold you for a night.
Now I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail and use my band for 20 minutes. gonna use my wax stick and put it all over the frontal and take my comb and make it all throughout their hair, and then use my hot comb and go very slow so it can be flat.
Sabi girl no dey too like talk. Animals dey in human form. Body man nobody like talk, but you must hustle if you want job. If no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like talk. No con they form say you too like talk. You no get the time for the faith and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, telling me. Keeping on my fantasy. You know they check me, fight that, ain't no wrong. But it dey rush well, it be more. Nobody make my talk, it dey rush. The kind money we got, yeah. It dey rush well, it be more. To be hype, everybody dey cross. It's so done, it be more. Send me Jack Pata, I dey go Ghana. We never thought you dey come back. Which kind money we never see before? You sell on me, got me feeling I'm the one. I never take my cake away. You can't come my place. I just stay my lane. You don't get the time for the faith and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, telling me. Keeping on my fantasy. You want to take me, fight that, ain't no wrong. But it dey rush well, it be more. Nobody make my talk, it dey rush. The kind money we got, yeah. It dey rush well, it be more. To be hype, everybody dey cross. It's so done, it be more.
Milk music.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass, and a